Lesson 10, Example 4. So example 4 takes the function f of x is equal to x squared and transforms it by adding in these numbers. This 3 outside, the plus 2 inside, and the minus 1 outside. So we have to remember these transformations. So we start inside. This plus 2 is going to be a shift left 2. Then we do stretches and shrinks. So this 3 is outside. It's multiplying, so it's a vertical. And a 3 would stretch it, you would think. So a vertical stretch by 3. And then this minus 1 is going to be a shift down 1. All right, so I've already got my parent function written here. So my first transformation is left 2. So left is an x direction, so that means I'm going to take all of my x values and subtract 2 from them. So negative 2 minus 2 would give me negative 4. Negative 1 minus 2 would give me negative 3. 0 minus 2 would give me negative 2. 1 minus 2 would give me negative 1. And 2 minus 2 would give me 0. Then I'm just going to bring over all of my y values. The second transformation, remember, is a vertical stretch by 3. So since it's vertical, that's going to change y. And remember, stretching involves multiplication. So I'm going to take all of my y values and multiply by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. Now I'm going to bring over my x values. And I said that's in class, but I purposely leave the untransformed column blank so that I don't accidentally multiply these values by 3 and I'm multiplying the last column by 3. That's a common mistake I see, so I suggest you do that too if it helps. And finally, my last transformation is a shift down 1, which means I'm going to take all of my y values, because down is a y direction, and I'm going to subtract 1. So I'm going to leave this column blank. That's what I was talking about before, so I don't mistakenly subtract 1 from these values. And I'm going to subtract 1 from this column. So 12 minus 1 is 11. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 12 minus 1 is 11. I'm going to bring my x values over now that I'm done with my transformed values. And that was the last transformation, so now I'm ready to graph it. So I'm going to graph the point negative 4, 11, which is right here. Negative 3, 2, which is here. Negative 2, negative 1, which drops below the x-axis. Negative 1, 2, and then 0, 11. So now I have my transformed parabola. So hopefully you can see it has been shifted left, down, and stretched vertically. So we pull it on that parabola in this direction, which makes it skinnier.